Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the latest from Apple, iOS 17.2. This update brings new features and enhancements that are set to revolutionize your iPhone experience. So let's explore what iOS 17.2 has in store for us. Kicking things off, we have the brand new Journal app. This is your personalized digital journal where you can jot down thoughts, add music, photos, and even audio recordings. It's like having a private space on your phone to reflect on your day. Plus, the app gives you personalized suggestions based on your activities, all powered by on-device machine learning. Pretty neat for those who love keeping a journal. Let's take a quick look. So as you can see, we'll navigate to the Journal app. You can lock it with a passcode or Face ID. And here you can see that I have a few entries with videos, locations, and photos. You can tap on the plus button to make a new one, and you'll get recommendations based on the stuff that you've been doing. Things like the music you've been listening to, the photos you've taken, the places you've been, and it'll even give you random reflections that you can tap on for a quick idea. Next up, for iPhone 15 Pro users, there's something exciting. The customizable action button, which replaces the traditional mute switch, can now access the Translate app directly, providing quick language translation capabilities in the dynamic island. This means instant language translation capabilities right at your fingertips, especially handy for travelers. Let me show you how it functions. So let's grab our iPhone, and now we're gonna tap and hold on the action button. For Christmas, I wanna travel to Europe.
Para Navidad, quiero viajar a Europa.
So if you're speaking to someone, it'll automatically play that audio for them. You can tap and hold again, and it'll translate back to your native language. ¿A qué parte de Europa quieres ir?
What part of Europe do you want to go to?
Now, I have found that it's not perfect, but in a pinch, it's great. Here's a game changer for video enthusiasts: spatial video recording on iPhone 15 Pro models. This allows you to record videos with 3D depth, perfect for playback on the upcoming Vision Pro headset that is set to release in 2024. Remember, to use this feature, your iPhone needs to be in landscape orientation and stabilized. To enable this feature, navigate into your Settings app and scroll down all the way to Camera. Here you're going to want to tap on Formats, and then if you scroll down some, you'll see Spatial Video for Apple Vision Pro. Just tap it on. Now this video will record at 30 frames per second and only in HD. So 4K recording is not available at the moment. Not sure if they'll add that in the future, but as of right now, every recording is 30 frames per second in HD quality. Customization goes a step further in iOS 17.2. You can now change the sounds and haptic feedbacks for default alerts and notifications. This is huge, as many users reported that the default notification alert sound was not loud enough. To change it, navigate to your Settings app and then tap on Sounds and Haptics. Here, you'll want to look for default alerts and then just tap on it, and now you have the different options. That default one seemed to be not loud enough for most, so now you can change it to something a little bit louder. iOS 17.2 also introduces new home screen and lock screen widget options for the weather and clock apps. Enjoy daily forecast, sunrise and sunset times, and a sleek new digital clock widget. Apple Music gets a boost too. You can now favorite songs, creating a personalized favorite song playlist. Something so simple that I think should have been available a long time ago, but hey, better late than never. There's also a listening history focus filter, which ensures your recommendations stay true to your taste, unaffected by others' choices. I will definitely be using this when playing songs for my kids. That way, even if I have to play My Happy Song a million times, Apple Music will not think that it's my favorite song. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Here under Do Not Disturb mode, I've created a new focus filter called Kids Music. Once enabled, everything that I listen to on Apple Music will not affect my listening history. To create a new focus filter, you can scroll down here, tap on New Focus, and it'll take you directly to these options. I chose Custom, and from here you can give it a color, a little emblem, and a name. Tap on Next, and then you'll be able to customize focus. From here, what I'm talking about is focus filters. So you can add a filter and then tap on Music, and then you can choose whether to use your listening history or not. Like I said, I'll definitely be using this because I have to play a lot of kid songs right now. For those concerned about digital security, iMessage contact key verification in iOS 17.2 adds an extra layer of protection. It alerts you to potential eavesdropping and allows for secure communication through contact verification code comparisons. iMessage contact key verification automatically verifies that you're messaging with the person you intend. You receive an alert if there's an error in the verification process. These alerts help ensure that even a very sophisticated attacker can impersonate anyone in your conversation. Just remember, iMessage contact key verification isn't designed to prevent fraud, such as phishing attempts or other text-based scams. To enable this feature, navigate into your settings, then tap on your name. Here you're going to want to scroll all the way down until you see contact key verifications. Go ahead and enable it, and then tap on continue. For this to work, all your devices signed into your Apple ID will need to be running the latest software, so it'll either ask you to update or sign out of those devices that are not updated. Reacting in iMessage? It's more fun now with quick sticker reactions. Choose any sticker from your tapback menu to add a playful touch to your conversations. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Open up any conversation and then tap on hold on any message. Here you'll see the tapback menu pop up and you'll see the new option add sticker. Then just choose a sticker that you've created and voila, your reaction on the message itself. The sensitive contact warning feature also extends to contact posters and stickers. It uses on-device machine learning to blur potential sensitive content, keeping your messaging experience comfortable. Now, I was going to try this on screen, but just to be safe, I'm going to leave it out. Personalize your Memoji in iOS 17.2 with new body customization options. Tailor your Memoji's waist, chest, shoulders, and arms to make it uniquely yours. To customize your Memoji, navigate to the Messages app, start a new conversation, or go to an existing one. Let's navigate to the Messages app. From here, tap on the plus button, and now swipe down, and then find Memoji. Go ahead and tap on it, and from here you can edit an existing one, or make a new one altogether. Now swipe to the left, and at the end you'll see this new body option. You can customize your waist, your chest, shoulders, and arms. When you're finished editing, just tap on done. Lastly, add a pop of color to your contact poster with the new rainbow colored text option. It's a fun way to make your contact posters more vibrant. To do so, let's navigate into a phone app. Once here, tap on Contacts. Then tap on your name. Here you're going to tap on Contact Photo and Poster. Then tap on Edit. Tap on Customize. And then tap on Poster. Now tap on your name and you'll see the font and color option pop up. And obviously you'll see the new rainbow color option. Just tap on Done and then tap on Continue. You can either choose to edit the contact photo as well or just tap on Skip. In conclusion, iOS 17.2 is a big leap forward in personalization, entertainment, and security. There's a lot to explore, from recording spatial videos to customizing emojis. To get these features, simply navigate into your settings. Then tap on General. From here, you're going to want to tap on Software Update, and you'll see iOS 17.2 available as an update. Remember, it's always a good option to back up your phone before doing any update. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, please consider subscribing to stay up to date with the latest in tech and to help me reach my first 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.